Right, hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we'll be showing you how to customize or how to pin item to your taskbar. By the way, the taskbar is the horizontal or the vertical bar on your screen. So most times that it's always at the bottom. By default for the Windows guys, it's always at the bottom. For the Mac guys, it's always at the top, depending on the kind of device you're using or how you set it. So you could set it by your own preference, right, left, or bottom, or wherever you be want to or choose to put it, but definitely not at the center, of course. All right, so today we're basically going to be showing you how you can pin items or icon to tags bar just wherever it is. All right, so there are two occasions that item can appear on the tags bar. Either you open the applications or the folder, so automatically they get added to the tags bar like this. All these ones are automatically added because some of them are opened. So when they closed, for example, if I choose to open Postma and it will be added here, as soon as I close Postma, it goes. But then let's say I want it constant. So there are two ways of doing it. I could choose to drag it and drop it here. You can see that pin to tags bar. So if I leave it, it will become pin to tags bar. I don't need to open it. When I open it or not, it's going to be here. If I do not like the position it is, I could drag it across to your swivel position. Let's say this is where I want it to be. I will leave it there, and that's where it will consistently and forever be until maybe I change it again. So this is just one of the methods. And then the second method is that you could open an application. For example, this ultra viewer is already opened, so you could right click on it and right click on it. You see close window because it's already open. Let me use Chrome. Okay, so let me use Chrome. If you right click on it, you see pin to tags bar. So when you click on it, so it automatically becomes pin. So whether you close it or not, for example, if I choose to close it, of course it is closed now, but you can still see that it's already still here. So this is how it's going to be. And like I said, you can adjust the position you want it to maintain at any time, and of course at any time. This is how you can pin item to your tags bar. Of course, you can also, if you don't want this item with pinned here to be pinned again, you could just still right click on it, or you could move it out, right? So otherwise you could just right click on it and on pin from taskbar it goes to back to the position it was. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Follow us for more YouTube tutorials. Thank you.